For compactor and bi-sort operation, make sure that your electrical disconnect is turned on and power is turned into the on position as well. You'll see the power come on and then everything else will light up, signaling you're ready to run. The system automatically will default into trash mode. To set it to recycle from the basement level, press recycle. The diverter is now moving over, which is signified by the plate moving light that's lit up. And now it's set to dump recyclable materials in here. In the event you need it in operation mode, turn the knob to manual. And you can turn the second knob to have it retract. To set it back to automatic mode, turn it back. And now the diverter is moving back to its default mode of trash.